Happy Saturday. I'm Fox 13 meteorologist Tony Sadiku here with a quick check on the tropics. And yeah, it's early November, but still showing signs that well, we're certainly not done with hurricane season yet. Remember, hurricane season continues through the end of the month, and looks like the Atlantic is showing some signs of life as we get into the weekend here. Lisa is now a depression in the Bay of Campeche. That system is winding down. There are two areas here where we could see something getting going. We'll start with this one way out there. Hurricane Center giving about 30% chance of formation over the next 5 days. It's not impossible we watch something spin up here, but we're not going to be worried about it because it's not coming our way. However, this one in between, one shaded in orange here, does have some decent odds of turning into something, maybe subtropical or tropical. And there would be impacts for Florida because whatever gets going is actually going to be drifting to the west. It doesn't seem like it's going to happen in a hurry. We're still looking at odds about 20% chance over the next 2 days, about 60% chance over the next 5 days. So confidence is growing that we could see something getting going. So closer look here does show that, you know, some point maybe later this weekend, early next week, we see some kind of broad spin or circulation area low pressure that could get going here. And then some odds that we could be talking about, again, something either subtropical or tropical, maybe a depression. Not impossible. This thing gets a name. Nicole would be the next name on the list. But really, as this thing works its way in our general direction, the impacts would be higher for the east coast of Florida, where this could be some water issues. If you're thinking like coastal flooding, rough surf, all those sorts of things. And of course, breezy, gusty conditions and some significant rain a possibility. So here's one model solution on what could get going here. Something emerging off the Caribbean. And because it's going to be relatively broad, even though we're on the periphery of it here by about Tuesday, there's still some signs that we could be at least starting to see our winds picking on up. But I think between about like Sunday and Monday, if anything, it's spinning in some drier air in our direction. So we're not necessarily worried about it. But again, you see the general motion here would mean something working its way west or northwest. The question is, how far south does it go? How far north? And there are some solutions that actually have this crossing the state and ending up here in the Gulf of Mexico here over the weekend or like by Friday, Saturday time frame as it kind of meanders and isn't really steered anywhere. So either which way here, our weather is expected to turn a little bit unsettled beginning by Tuesday and especially the second half of the week with more clouds, more showers, and a noticeable increase in the winds here locally. Again, so here's where we stand. Hurricane season names, Lisa, Martin, now no more, and then we'll talk about Nicole if we see either of those two systems get a name. And of course, we'll keep things posted and updated for you as always, myfoxhurricane.com. Have a great day.